welcome back to another video. It is October the 22nd. Welcome to another day of Vlogtober. So as y'all can see behind me, I'm gonna throw in a clip of what I found yesterday trying to go get paint from Habitat for Humanity. I stopped at a Dollar Tree. And guys, look at this. I'm gonna throw in a clip after this video of me getting ready to start to put these out. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? So I need one more little strip like right there. That is beautiful. Y'all gotta go. This is not the right time and I'm running behind. So in today's video, real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys some things I'm gonna be changing around. Like this here, this is really too tall for the table. So I'm gonna take the eucalyptus and put it where the vibe sign is and take the vibe sign and write something else on it and put it in the hallway. And then take this vase and put pampas grass, put the two flower pots from the bedroom. Because what I was trying to tell y'all yesterday, the two black flower pots with the gold legs, they are height vary. One is tall, one is underneath that. And actually, black don't go on black. So I have to put something white. I got two other white plants I'll put in there. And then I'll put these with pampas grass in the back room. And then also I will put pampas grass in this other thing and put it up there. So stay tuned for the video. Guys, too, real quick, I just want to show you, when I went to Habitat for Humanity yesterday, I found this really nice candle. It is Lavender Fields Misty Dew scented, and it was 25 cents. So I got that. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Then I found this sign. It's canvas on wood. It's really pretty. It says hi. So I'm gonna probably put this in the back room in between my gallery wall, because remember I kept telling y'all I wanted something that had words on it. So I thought this would be nice, and this was $1. So let's get on with the video. All right, y'all. Guys, hope you are enjoying what you have seen so far this morning. I have to really go. It's time for me to go to work, but I just want to show you outfit of the day. This is my autumn look. It's really chilly outside. I got my short boots on. They're leather with some nice warm socks. And the two pots, guys, the two white pots I took out the living room, they're going in the bedroom on the nightstands, remember, instead of the black. And then I couldn't find the paint yesterday, but I'm going to go back to Home Depot and just go get this other gold and white, because this here, you guys remember this from in the bedroom on the dresser? Let me see if I can show you better. So this here is going to get painted. Remember, it was like a grayish blue. I'm going to paint this either gold or white. And then And this thing, y'all know I don't want to get rid of this because this part here is really, really like real wood. I'm going to put it up here. And it's going to say, I'm going to spray paint the inside white though. Instead of it black, it's going to be white. And it's going to say something like, love lives here. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray paint the knobs gold today. And even though these were on the buffet, I'm still going to paint them gold until I find, you know, until I actually find the right ones that I want from Walmart. So we'll just make it do. So guys, I will see you guys later. Guys, sneak peek. So this is how it looks so far. It looks really, really good. The tape that was put here has to be removed because we didn't want to spray in the inside. That's just a reflection of the paper. But guys, it looks good. It looks good. Okay.
I'm just afraid that it will turn. Oh.
You can hear that one? This is so pretty.
This one is definitely.
Okay. Yep. Look at this I found today. Of all days. It's going home with me. She's going home with me. Guys, I'm finally home and I'm going to show you guys everything. Well, not everything. I'm going to show you the dressers and stuff tomorrow once everything dries. I'm going to put the plaques where they go, the vase where it goes on the dresser. I'm letting the dressers and the nightstands have extra time to dry. But I just want to show you real quick. Look at I just want to show y'all, if y'all can see, do y'all see the wood grain of that black on top of this? It is absolutely beautiful. So guys, it came out lovely. So I will show you guys tomorrow, but I'm trying to make this video short. Let me show you everything else. So guys, here I will be hanging that new picture that I found from Goodwill. That picture was only $1.26, y'all. It was $2.29 with half off. So it's going to go here in place of the other one. And then what I will do is I will just donate or give away the other one. Okay. So, let me just show you guys the comparison of them together. It just looks better to me, even though I only paid $1 for this one. But that just looks so much better, and it looks good with the wood, with the console. I mean, with the TV is on. And Iris, I just want to say thank you for your comment. I did see it today on my lunch break. I did read your comment, and that was the reason why I put the pumpkin grass in that white vase in the back room, because the height level was too much for in here, for the simple fact we have the plant actually with that. So y'all guys know I put the eucalyptus here. I'm going to add a thing here. And then I took those flowers and put them on this door, y'all. I think it looks really, really nice. And then over here, I added the gold pot and the candle. And then, guys, this is the last and final thing I wanted to show you guys. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. So I will show you guys this tomorrow, and I think you probably would like it better when it's more lighter. I kept the eat sign here. I'm not going to hang it back on the wall. And then, too, if I ever want to, switch this out, I could put the eat sign in here. So guys, that is going to do it for me today. I'm going to wait for those things to dry really good, and then I will see you guys tomorrow, probably for the reveal of everything. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Don't forget, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.